In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make ERPNext like Zoho people. To begin, open your ERPNext dashboard and look at the top of the screen for settings. This area is where you control key HR options and make the system feel more like a dedicated people management platform. Click Settings at the top and take a moment to confirm you are working in the correct workspace for HR, since some menus can vary depending on your permissions. Next, navigate to Employee Information. This is the foundation of your HR setup because it is where employee profiles, job details, and important records are organized. As you open Employee Information, focus on keeping employee data consistent. Clean and accurate employee records help your processes, leave rules, and attendance tracking work smoothly later. After that, move into the HR Process area. Click HR Process, then click Add Process. This is where you define and organize HR workflows so they are easier to follow, similar to how Zoho People structures HR actions. When you add a process, use clear naming so your team can quickly recognize what the process is for. Keep the process scope focused so it stays easy to maintain as your HR needs grow. Now you will set up time-off rules. Go back to Settings, then find Leave Tracker and select Leave Policy. This is where you configure how leave works for your organization, such as what types of leave are available and how they are granted or tracked. Take your time here because a well-defined leave policy prevents confusion later. Make sure the policy matches your internal rules so the system calculations align with what employees expect. Finally, set up attendance logging. Click Attendance, then choose Employee Check-in. This is used to log daily hours and track presence. Encourage consistent check-ins and keep the process simple for employees. Clear attendance records support accurate reporting and help connect daily activity with payroll or performance reviews if you use those features. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.